Hi there. Excuse the glasses, but it is bright here in this wonderful beach in Byron Bay. I thought I would like to do a video that I'm sure you can relate to about feeling the urge to check your device all the time, whether it's a laptop, whether it's your phone, an iPad, whatever it may be. It's a growing concern for all of us, me particularly as a parent of my 12-year-old who's now on Instagram and loves his laptop. But it's myself, of course, it's my reaction to how I feel about devices as well. And even though they're wonderful, I also feel drawn when I should be relaxing or just turning off. So I thought we'd do a little video using EFT to release the urge and this belief that you're going to feel better once you've checked or posted or whatever it is. So let's begin. If you're new to EFT, you can go to my website, happysoul.com. And there is a tutorial video there on how to tap. So please take responsibility for yourself as you tap along with me. Now, the most important thing we do with tapping is tune in. So I'm going to ask you to get your devices in front of you so you can look at them, notice how you feel. That's what we want to do with tapping. We're generating the energy, the disturbance, and we're looking at one thing at a time. So let's start by first tuning into the device, and we're going to start with a round of tapping to just acknowledge where you're at, and then we'll move through some emotions. So let's start tapping the side of the hand. So even though I find it hard to admit, but I'm addicted to my devices, I feel unsettled if I can't check them or if I don't have them close to me. I love and accept myself, even though I feel drawn to check my phone. I feel drawn to go on Netflix or whatever it is on my laptop. I love and accept all of me, even though I admit I'm addicted. And now we're just going to go around the points, just repeating after me and keeping tuned in. Top of the head. I'm addicted to my devices. I have to take my glasses off now. And eyebrow where it begins here. I often do two hands now. I'm addicted to my devices. Side of the eye. Let's just work with the phone. I find it hard to leave it alone. Under the eye. I feel drawn to check my phone all the time. Let's go with the energy. Under the nose. I feel so drawn to check in. Tapping the chin. I have this fear of missing out. Collarbone. I feel drawn to checking in what's going on through my phone. Under the arm. This anxiety. Tapping under the ribs, under the nipple, tapping all around here, just tuning in. Look at your phone, think about Facebook, Instagram, all those things. This desire, this urge to keep checking my phone. Keep tapping the ribs, take a big breath in. Let it go. Let's just stop for a second. I didn't say at the beginning, but it's good to rate out of 10 how strong that desire is, how strong that anxiety is. Make a little note. I'm going to keep working with this anxiety. Looking at your phone, don't touch it. Just imagine perhaps that somebody's going to take it away for a day or a week. Just notice how that makes you feel. Maybe you just notice if it's in your chest, in your head, in your tummy. Let's acknowledge again, tapping the side of the hand. Even though I have this belief that I can't live without my phone or my devices. I love and accept myself anyway. Even though I feel anxious if I don't have my phone to check in on. I love and accept all parts of me. I'm doing the best I can. I'm at least calming my nervous system down. Let's go top of the head. This desire to check my devices. Keep looking at your phone, your laptop, whatever it is. Eyebrow, this desire to keep checking in. side of the eye, all this anxiety in my body, under the eye. I can't relax. Under the nose, this belief I can't relax. Tapping the chin, but I'm doing something about it now. Collarbone. I choose to release this urge to check in. Under the arm. I'm going to be okay. Tapping the ribs. I choose to give myself a break. Maybe for an hour. Maybe for a day. Take a big breath in. Let it go. Don't know about you, but I'm feeling more relaxed. I'm actually on holiday here in Byron Bay. And I've noticed myself wanting to check in a little too often on my phone. We're all doing it. So let's see if we can just do a couple more rounds. Some positive reframing. I'll keep these videos fairly short so that you can just pull out your phone and do them. Doing them repetitively is going to give you the best results. And actually seeing a practitioner where you can go really deep into what's really driving this urge to check in. Maybe it's about not feeling good enough, needing acceptance. Of course, Facebook and all social media for a lot of people is about this desire to get accepted by other people, society, especially for the young ones. They're really struggling with this. But let's go side of the hand again. So even though I acknowledge I've been addicted to my phone and my laptop, my iPad, I'm choosing to give them all a break. Give myself a break. See what happens. I'm open to viewing this differently. I love and accept myself, even though I've been anxious, drawn to check my devices. I choose peace with devices. They have their place. Like now, for example. I love and accept myself, and I'm open to relaxing and having a break from my device. Let's go top of the head. Notice where it is in your body, looking at your devices. Imagine they're being put away, or you may even want to put it away, one of them. Put it behind you. This remaining anxiety in my body, I'm choosing to relax instead. I'm good enough. Under the eye. I am good enough. Under the nose. I choose to feel good enough. Tapping the chin. I choose to feel calm and confident. Collarbone. Choose to feel safe and secure without my devices. Under the arm. I choose to give myself a break. Tapping the ribs. I choose to know I'm the one in control. I choose to feel empowered. Top of the head. I choose peace with myself. Eyebrow. And I choose to let this anxiety go. Side of the eye. I really am doing the best I can. Under the eye. Choose to feel calm and relaxed. Under the nose. I choose peace. Both hands on your heart. Closing your eyes, taking nice big breaths in. Letting it go. Noticing how calm you feel. Breathing in and out for 14 seconds. Breathing in a colour that supports you. And at the end of that 14 seconds, just notice what happens. You may need to stop the recording and do it again. It's one that you can do every day. I actually advise you do it for at least 7 days in the morning. But remember to get all your devices in front of you, get the trigger, be on target with whatever emotion comes up and work with one emotion at a time. For example, anxiety, fear of not having your phone or your laptop, frustration at people commenting on your usage, sadness, anything, just one emotion at a time. You can replace my words with each emotion that comes up. Thanks for listening, guys. Please leave your comments and feedback below. It's really great to see how you're getting on. Bye.